Sometimes, God does the surprising events that we miss even wage expressions we may use to think and worship Him, because He's our Father who loves us. If He has done something great for you, please repeat with me these words. Heavenly Father, we thank You. We bless You to be our fortress. You're the only one who makes us strong. We give our lives to praise and worship You from today, because You're amazing God. You are the only one, Father, that deserves worship around the world, and we love You. And after that, if you are grateful, please help me to praise Him now. Come on. You are fortress, You make us strong. You are amazing God. We will praise You with all our hearts and tell about who You are. You are Father that we worship around the world. You're still the one, the supplier of our intelligence around the world. You're still the one. You are the keeper of human's breath around the world. You're still the one. You're creator of all creations around the world. You're still the one. What feels You love, You save and Redeemer. Jesus, You set us all free by Your own blood. You are holy, You the source of our healing. Now we are here to worship You, Lord. What feels You love, You save and Redeemer. Jesus, You set us all free by Your own blood. You are holy, You the source of our healing. Now we are here to worship You, Lord. We love You, Lord, our powerful weapon. You are our shield, almighty rock. All nations bow down to praise You, Lord, and proclaim about who You are. You are Father that we worship around the world. You're still the one, the supplier of our intelligence around the world. You're still the one. You are the keeper of human's breath around the world. You're still the one. You're creator of all creations around the world. You're still the one. What feels You love, You save and Redeemer. Jesus, You set us all free by Your own blood. You are holy, You the source of our healing. Now we are here to worship You, Lord. What feels You love, You save and Redeemer. Jesus, You set us all free by Your own blood.
you, Father.
I wonder how you are.
I wonder how you are.
I want to see you.
I want to see you.
I love you, Lord. Oh,
I love you, Lord.
I need you, Father.
I need you, Father.
I wonder how you are.
I wonder how you are.
I want to see you.
I want to see you.
I love you, Lord.
I love you, Lord.
I need you, Father.
I need you, Father.
I wonder how